Hey guys, it's the Happsters. So today we are making sweet potato, purple sweet potato and rice. Simple recipe, healthy, and it's good for me. So come check it out. So first we wash the rice so it's clear like that. Only a cup and a half rice and just a little bit of water. This sweet potato, I will slice them up or dice them up. Sweet purple potato. Just mix it into the rice and I will steam this for a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. And that's what it looks like. Now let's go put it in the and turn it on. Check it out. So now that it clicked off on warm, let's go what it looks like. Looks good. So far so good. Then I will mix this up. Let's go mix this. It's still not quite where I want it. I might have to add some more water. Yeah, a little bit more water. So I'm adding a little bit more water there and cover this up. Let's check this out for the last time. There you go. Yum. And put it in a bowl. Scoop this up and put it in a bowl. Right there. Yum. It's delicious. Chunky potato. There you go. So this is the rice bowl of purple sweet potato with rice. Very healthy. So this can be paired with fish or meat of your choice. Easy to make. Thank you for watching. Let's eat.